Hey guys, I'm Alan here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you about pneumatic solenoid valve. Every brand there is hundreds of solenoid valve in the market, such as Festo, CKD or airtac. There's also many functions: 5 two-way, 3 two-way, 5 three-way, center close, or even 2 two-way. But for 2 two-way, I will share detail in another video because it is different with the others that I would like to share with you today. But before that, on selection, you need to know what kind of valve you are using and determine in the correct category. Give you an example, there is valve for harsh environment and normal environment. If you're using the harsh environment valve in panel use, it will overspec and took out your space. If the other way around, the valve will not durable. So, fall in the correct category is very important as in function. There's two steps to understand how the solenoid valve is work. First will be a hands-on experience on several kind of valve in different company and valve to in place. Second will be the animation how the valve is work. In the end of this video, you will be able to select your valve correctly. Here are several types of valve from different companies. Mainly, you can categorize them as three categories. First, we will start from the left. This type will be normal standard situation. Normally, it will install inside the panel box. The benefit of it will be space saving and protected by the panel box. Woo! At the center will be harsh environment valve. Can stand for higher temperature and heavy duty industry thanks to the more solid design and thicker materials used. Normally the size will be double or triple compared to the standard valve. Last will be ISO standard valve. The ISO standard valve are world standard. All the design and function or even spec will be the same to one another company. The most important you need to take note will be the connection will be different with the other valve. Will be 4 pin, 8 pin or 12 pin. It's normally using for food and automotive industry. Now I'm going to show you guys how to determine the function of the valve. Every valve will have the symbol on its valve body. First digit will be how many ports on the valve. For example, this 5 two-way will have 5 ports. 3 two-way you have 3 ports. Second digit will be the position of the pull inside the valve. 5 two-way will have 2 positions. 5 three-way will have 3 positions. Alright, all the position is driven by the solenoid or spring. This is 5 two-way valve internal structure. There is pull, solenoid and electrical connection. Here is the original position of the valve and always give supply to port B. When the PLC give command to the solenoid, the coil will push the spool to the other side. If the PLC remove the command, the spring will return the spool. Air preparation unit will also bring durable for your valve. If you don't know about air preparation unit, you might check out here my last video which is about air preparation units. I believe you have understand how the pneumatic solenoid valve is work. Do more real life applications and don't afraid to make mistake. It will bring more experience to you. That's my end of my topic, and if my video helped, please like and subscribe. I will bring more pneumatic knowledge for you. Thank you.